Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and from there select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, so both of them at the same time. And as you can see, this automatically boots you into the boot mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume up only to navigate. As you can see, just cycles through. And volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So from here you can access the recovery mode, fast boot mode, or simply go back to Android, which is what I'm going to stick with, the last option. And volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.